Groww IPO. India's largest broker is coming to Dalal Street with a massive 7,000 crore IPO. It recently got approval from SEBI to go public. Groww IPO is India's one of the most anticipated and largest fintech listing. But here is a question. Is Groww's $9 billion valuation truly justified? Or is this a case of growth at any price? Let's break it down. Before we begin, if you're new to this channel, subscribe to my channel and like this video for more financial content without any nonsense. So here is the breakdown. Groww is a Bengaluru-based broking firm. It started its business in 2016. It quickly became India's leading broking firm in terms of active users. It almost has 12 million active users leading the broking pack, and now it is aspiring to become India's costliest listed broking firm. While the active user count looks so promising and strong, the financial picture tells a different story, and let's understand what is that story about. Here is the key analysis. Valuation premium. Groww is eyeing $9 billion valuation, which is much bigger than listed peers like Angel One and even Motilal Oswal in terms of market cap. Can it really justify this? Let's figure out. So what does the revenue story tells us? In financial year 2025, Groww had a revenue of approximately 4,061 crores, whereas Angel One is having 30% more revenue, which is approximately 5,239 crores. What do we learn from this? Despite more active users, Groww makes lesser money per user. So how is ARPU, average revenue per user? Groww is commanding approximately 3,300 rupees average revenue per user, whereas Angel One is commanding almost double of that of Groww. It is having 6,000 rupees average revenue per user. But elephant in the room is Zerodha. Zerodha is commanding 4 times more than what Groww is earning. Zerodha is having 12,000 rupees average revenue per user. This clearly says that Groww's client base is younger and small ticket users, and this is not generating enough revenue to grow. So how is the business mix? Groww is generating almost 80% of its revenue from brokerage only. This shows a clear concentration in its business model, and it is heavily dependent on the brokerage income only. Any regulatory disruptions is very risky to this business, whereas Angel One earns only 55% of its revenue from brokerage. This is also a little bit concentrated but much better than Groww. And here comes Motilal Oswal. Motilal Oswal business model earns 15% only from brokerage business, and it has a very diversified business in its business model. This means that Groww's business model is very concentrated and weak in diversification, whereas Motilal Oswal is heavily diversified and has a very good business model. So let's talk about some of the acquisitions Groww has made in recent years. These acquisitions are aimed at diversification and broadening its revenue models. One of such acquisition is Fisdom. It bought Fisdom at $150 billion valuation, but unfortunately the business is still not profitable. And it also bought India Bulls Mutual Funds for 175 crores. The current AUM is only 2,000 crores, which is very negligible compared to the big players in the industry. So far, the Groww's effort to diversify its business has not moved a needle to it. But this is not the end of the road for the business. Discussing all this, here is what I see as red flags in this business. Out of 7,000 crore IPO, only 1,060 crores is going to business. Rest of the money is taken by promoters and investors through OFS. Founders reward. In financial year 2025, Groww founders pocketed 614 crores as incentive alone. The business is growth focused but weak in profit. The business hasn't cracked a sustainable revenue growth model beyond brokerage. To be fair about this, Groww has built a massive client base within a record time. Its tech-first approach, young user base, strong brand recall is unmatched in Indian broking space. All these are good for users and its clients. But as an investor, the key question is, should you be paying premium valuation to own a business which is still figuring out how to make money beyond brokerage? Is this a risky or growth bet for investors? What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments. So finally, here is my verdict. Before we jump into verdict, I personally invite you to join my investor community with over 2,500 plus investors who are benefiting from my real-time market updates and market insights. Links are given in the description and pinned comment. Follow the link and join my investors community. So here is my verdict. If you are a person who is betting on the India's next generation financial ecosystem, growth gives you that opportunity. Groww offers an unmatched growth potential at a premium valuation. It is a very long-term game. We are investing in a highly regulated financial domain. We need to remember that. But if you are a very conservative investor, this may not be a right choice to you. It is better to wait for post-listing price discovery. This might be a very smart strategy for you. So what do you think? Are you going to invest in this Groww IPO, or are you waiting for a better entry price, or are you investing just for listing gains if market is offering it for you? Let me know in the comments. I would love to know what are your ideas in this IPO. And if you found this breakdown helpful, do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with someone who is thinking about investing in this IPO. Join my exclusive investor community for real-time data and wealth insights. Check the description for all my official links, including how to join my investor community and how to open free Demat account with Motilal Oswal. So let's meet again with another video. Thank you for watching.